Right, Bob Cratchit, back to work. Congratulations, you've won the Silver Crab Award.
Oh my God, it's very... Oh, here we go.
Does it taste like an apple?
But as light as a cloud. It's beautiful.
You never watched Mad Max?
I have.
Kundalini wants his hand back.
And Kundalini wants his hand back.
I'm here picking up Inta from work this afternoon. We've got a special getaway planned for her birthday. We're heading to the country town of Daylesford to stay in the famous Lake House for a gourmet escape, as well as explore the surrounding region. So come along. Here she comes now.
He's sticking a camera in my face.
You all set for your birthday weekend?
Well, yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Daylesford is an easy 90-minute drive northwest of Melbourne. First established in 1852 as a gold mining town, it's now known as Spa Country, being home to 80% of Australia's known mineral water springs. Good afternoon, travellers. Not morning for once. Welcome to Lake House.
Good afternoon. Thanks for waiting. Welcome.
Thank you.
Michael, right?
Yes.
Welcome, Michael.
Thank you. No?
For the last day, I have a booking at the restaurant for dinner at 8 p.m. Would that time be okay?
Yes.
Yes. Perfect.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Do you want me to go with you to the car first and get the bags and then I show you the room, or you prefer me to show you the room and then you can take it?
I think if you show me the room and I'll come back
absolutely.
and grab my wife and bags.
Oh, good.
Studio 54, the only place to dance. Down the stairs.
The view.
This is a nice looking place you've got.
Oh, it is lovely.
Why don't you show us around?
Okay. Bathroom. Very nice big tub there. Very nice shower over there with 2 shower heads. All very fresh. And they've got nice Elemis toiletries everywhere. So you can indulge yourself with the things they use in the spa. Lovely bed with a nice little seat to get dressed. Look out. This is beautiful. This is my favourite seat already. So I just look straight out into the lovely garden. A nice little spot to sit down and maybe have a drink or two. And you can go down here and there's a little path. And you've got the best view of the lake. It's just absolutely stunning, especially this time of the day.
Lake Daylesford. You're not unhappy.
I'm very happy.
Good morning, how are you today?
Thank you.
Have your room number, please?
54?
Thank you.
So you guys having breakfast in town?
Did you sleep well?
Didn't want to get up.
Coffee time. What are we having?
Bruschetta. I'm having the gravlax.
I don't even know what gravlax is.
It's cured fish.
Gravlax done. Beautiful main street of Daylesford is well serviced by plenty of cafes and restaurants, as well as shops and boutiques to explore. This afternoon, though, we're taking an easy 30-minute drive west to check out the famous nearby historically preserved township of Clunes.
Oh yeah, the buildings all look old. Cool.
What's Clunes famous for?
That's where gold was first discovered in Victoria in 1851, and also it's been used for the set for lots of movies and commercials. Most famously would be Mad Max.
We're here to meet a friend. Come in on the train.
More recently, Ned Kelly with Russell Crowe, I believe. Ask you some questions now, aren't you?
I'm just going to observe what a beautiful town Clunes is.
It is. It's surprising. I didn't know anything about it till today. I didn't realise that we had such a big gem of history.
You never watched Mad Max?
I have, but I never realised where it was filmed. So.
Kundalini wants his hand back.
And Kundalini wants his hand back.
Any visit to Daylesford wouldn't be complete without stopping in at the amazing Mill Markets.
$10.
Do you want it?
No, it looks worse than I do in the morning.
The markets lease space to stall holders who carefully curate their stalls with various antiques and collectibles for sale. $90. You skip. I needed that book.
Yeah.
The market is enormous and is an interesting and fun place to spend an afternoon. Right, Bob Cratchit, back to work. Peter, congratulations. You've won the Silver Crab Award. Aren't you happy?
I'm speechless. Second-hand bobs, there's lots, there's heaps of stuff.
Heaps to choose from.
You spare at least an hour to go through there.
Yeah. Plenty of people here too. So set for birthday dinner?
I am indeed.
Let's go.
Okay. Careful, don't stab me with the umbrella. That's perfect. Oh, it's so nice. Sweet. Love it. Shall I? Amuse my boosh.
Happy man.
The tuna loin, and I'm having the scallop sashimi. So I'm looking forward to trying it. Yeah. And I've got the zucchini flour tempura. That was the most delicate plate of pasta I've ever eaten in my entire life.
That's good too.
The Murray cod with shiitake mushrooms and bok choy and other goodness.
Pork, 3 ways.
So it's lovely that they're doing Asian flavours this year, very light and lovely. Thorough enjoyment.
Satisfied? Berries.
This is the apple, which is Calvados, verjuice, and creme fraiche. Oh my god, it's very. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Okay.
Does it taste like an apple?
But as light as a cloud. It's beautiful. Really refreshing.
Course number 5. Whose birthday dinner, darling?
Utter perfection. Can't top that.
Bring out your cash.
Bring out my cash. It's a rarity these days.
The Lavandula Swiss-Italian lavender farm.
Yeah, Swiss-Italian lavender farm, that's right.
Lavandula Farm lies a 10-minute drive north of Daylesford.
I've got to say, you're going to get loads of good footage today. Beautiful.
Yes, it is nice.
How are you? Wow, good, thank you.
Enjoy.
All kinds of good stuff. Thank you. Go for it. The inner child.
Originally started as a dairy farm in the 1860s by Swiss-Italian immigrants, Lavandula is now home to amazingly manicured gardens and restored buildings to explore. Looks like I found Instagram heaven. Yeah, it's video.
Oh, you do YouTube?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh.
Went in. Smell-o-vision.
I know.
That was good.
Yes. Well worth $5, I think.
Lunch was very nice.
Oh yeah, lunch was really good. Yeah, wandering through the lavender fields and looking at the animals and engaging with the animals. Yeah, it was great. It's very relaxing. Feel like I'm sitting on a throne.
Relaxed. Now we're in Daylesford for your birthday,
Thank you very much.
staying at the Lake House.
Spectacular. If only I had a garden view like that, I'd be set for life.
Dinner we had last night was beyond belief, sensational. The restaurant here is so good.
From the amuse-bouche all the way through to dessert, I mean, we couldn't fault anything. It was just wonderful. It was just dazzling the taste buds all the way through. It was just, and visually spectacular.
We're actually going on a plane for our next trip.
Oh my God.
Still within Australia, but we're heading to far north Queensland.
Can't wait.
I can't wait either.
Okay then.
See you next time.
Bye. Oh, 10:52, got 8 minutes.
10:52.
Do I push this button to turn it off?
Morning. Just stick your camera in your face in the morning.
Oh my God.
Morning. Thanks, Mr. Blacker. Welcome aboard.
Decisions.
I'm impressed. And I don't impress easy.